Hello everyone. So today we are going to study pollution. So first definition of pollution. What is pollution? When harmful substance contaminate the environment, it is called pollution. जब harmful substance environment को contaminate करते उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Pollution. It can be defined as any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, biological characteristic of any component of the environment which can cause harm to the life and property. किसी भी तरह का फिजिकल, केमिकल, बायोलॉजिकल चेंज एनवायरनमेंट में अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? पॉल्यूशन. टाइप्स ऑफ पॉल्यूशन. पॉल्यूशन को ब्रॉडली हम एयर, वाटर, मरीन, थर्मल, सॉइल, नॉइस एंड न्यूक्लियर पॉल्यूशन में डिवाइड करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द पिक्चर डिफाइंड द हाउ पॉल्यूशन कैन कॉज डैमेज टू द अर्थ एंड एनवायरनमेंट. What is atmosphere? So atmosphere is the life blanket of the earth. जो अर्थ को सराउंड करके रखती है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? एटमॉस्फियर. सो इसको हम लेयर्स में डिवाइड करते हैं विच इज़ ट्रोपोस्फियर, स्ट्रेटोस्फियर, मीजोस्फियर और थर्मोस्फियर. सो फर्स्ट इज़ द air pollution and first is what is air. Air supply us with the oxygen which is essential for our bodies to live. So oxygen is very important which is necessary for the survival. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड इनर्ट गैसेस. इन सभी का मिक्सचर क्या बनाती है? एयर बनती है. ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ कैन रिलीज सब्सटेंस इनटू द एयर, सम ऑफ विच कैन कॉज प्रॉब्लम टू द ह्यूमन्स, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी की वजह से बहुत सारे सब्सटेंस हैं जो एयर में ऐड होते रहते हैं जो ह्यूमन, प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के लिए प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज द नेचुरल कंपोजिशन ऑफ गैसेज. सो व्हाट आर द नेचुरल कंपोजिशन? व्हाट इज द नेचुरल कंपोजिशन ऑफ गैसेज इन द एयर आर एज फॉलोज. सो here so maximum is nitrogen, then oxygen, argon is in a very least amount, carbon dioxide and some other gases. So nitrogen is at highest 78.1%, oxygen is 20.9%, argon is 0.9%, carbon dioxide is 0.035% and others are 0.65%. So this is the composition of different gases in the air. So what is air pollution? An atmospheric condition in which certain substances including normal constituent in excess are present in concentration which can cause undesirable effects on man and his environment. So in atmospheric condition कुछ सब्सटेंस एक्सेस में हो जाते हैं अपनी नॉर्मल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से जो कि एक अनडिज़ायरेबल इफ़ेक्ट कॉज करते हैं. They are in form of gases like NOx, SOx, carbon monoxide, VOC, particulate matter, dust, smoke, fumes, etc. and radioactive elements. Source of air pollution. So एयर पोल्यूशन के सोर्स नेचुरल भी हो सकते हैं और एंथ्रोपोजेनिक भी हो सकते हैं. एंथ्रोपोजेनिक आर द pollution caused by the activity of humans. So natural air pollution caused by the volcanic eruptions, forest fire, sea salt spray, biological decay, pollen grains, marshes, photochemical oxidation of the terpenes. Anthropogenic causes are the thermal power plants, vehicular emissions and industrial units. So here in this picture these are the emissions, mobiles, airplanes, car, trucks, buses, motorcycle, and the naturals are the lightning, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, wildfires, etc. So these are the causes of the pollution, source of the pollution which added substance and increase the amount of gases which are naturally present in the air. So, source of emissions of air pollutants. Agriculture 10%, other 2%, industry 52%, transportation 27%, consumer commercial product 8%, commercial and residential heating 1%. So, these are the source of air pollutants. Classification of air pollutants. Air pollutants may be particulate or gaseous. वो particulate भी हो सकते हैं और gaseous भी हो सकते हैं. On the basis of origin they are divided into primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are those which are emitted directly from the point of source, जो directly source से air में add होते हैं, which is CO carbon monoxide, NO2 and sulfur dioxide. Secondary pollutants formed by the interaction of primary pollutants. So, when primary pollutants react with each other and they form the secondary pollutants, which include PAN, smoke, ozone, etc. Criteria of pollutants: name of gases, characteristics and source. Nitrogen dioxide, N2 in air is oxidized. NOx, sum of NO and NO2 and other oxides of nitrogen. Characteristics: brownish gas irritates the respiratory system, originates from the combustions. Source is burning fuel including petrol, diesel and coal. Ground level O3, primary constituent of smoke. React of VOC plus NOx in the presence of heat and sunlight. Vehicles and industry are the major source. Carbon monoxide reduce blood ability to carry oxygen, produced by the incomplete burning of carbon based fuels and natural and synthetic products such as cigarettes. Carbon dioxide, principal greenhouse gas emitted as a result of human activities such as burning of coal, oil and natural gases. Sulfur dioxide, precursor to acid rain along with NOx, formed when fuel, coal, oil containing sulfur is burned and metal smelting. CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, is responsible for ozone depletion, release from air system and refrigeration. Lead, cause learning disabilities in children, toxic to liver, kidney, blood forming organs. Present in petrol, diesel, lead, batteries, paint, hair dye product, etc. Particular matter. Indoor air pollution. Many people spend large portion of time indoors, as much as 80 to 90% of their lives. So, we work, study, eat, drink, sleep in enclosed environment where air circulation may be restricted. So, children, women are more exposed to risk. Radon gas, burning of dung cake for fuel, wood, kerosene. Incomplete combustion product produces carbon monoxide and cigarette smoke. So, these are the indoor air pollution. So, here so outdoor air pollutants, mold and bacteria. Indoor chemical from cleaning products, and carbon monoxide fumes from the attached garage. Cigarette smoke contains some 4,000 chemicals. Gases including radon seeping through foundation, and chemical fumes from paints and solvents. Animal hair, dander, combustion gases from the fireplace and wood burning stove, chemical release from the modern building and furnishing materials. So, these are all indoor air pollution which we are